What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we've got another product by VAVA. This is the VAVA waterproof speaker. This one is IPX5 waterproof. You're not gonna have any problem if you're by the pool and it gets splashed on, or if it starts to rain, you're not gonna have to worry about that. So it has a 5400 milliamp hour battery that gives you 24 hours of playback. 24 hours. Now they're saying that it has rich bass. It has two side-facing passive subwoofers. I'm not sure of the size, I didn't get that information, but either way, let's just open it up. Whoa. Oh, we got cables. All right, so we got about a 4.5 foot USB to micro USB cable, nothing fancy, and about a 4 foot 3.5 millimeter cable. Look at the speaker on there. Look at that. Isn't that cool looking? Oh man, I hope this sounds good. Wow, this feels like a very quality made speaker for sure. Very elegant looking. I love the design of that. Look at that. Isn't that cool? All right, so on the top, it's very smooth rubber. Power, play, pause, answer, hang up. Looks like a microphone. Then you got your minus and plus buttons. Now on the back, you got this rubber flap that goes down. That's where you get your 3.5 millimeter jack and your micro USB port. And then of course you got this round foot. There we go, the VAVA Voom 24. Dang, look at that. Oh, pause. Wow, okay, so there's definitely a speaker here. Let me see if is it on this side? No, it's definitely on that side. That's got some nice little bass to it, considering the size. Wow. All right, let's try bass boosted. Look at that! Man. That has got some little thump to it, considering how small this thing is. All right, let's listen to sound quality. Get it, chicken? Seriously though, that sounded really good.
Good mythical morning. Today, I'm gonna be guessing.
It sounds really good. All right, let's make a phone call.
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, you sound kind of, like hollow.
I sound hollow?
You sound like you're kind of far away, but...
Oh.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
After you talk, you kind of have kind of a little bit of a static.
Huh.
I can hear you, but you sound like you're kind of like staticky after each word.
Oh, okay, weird. Okay, all right. Okay, cool. I'm actually impressed with the sound quality of this little thing, and it looks freaking cool. There isn't another speaker that I've actually tested that looks like this. It's pretty clean looking. Okay, so highs and mids, I'm gonna give them a 9. Highs and mids, I'm gonna give them a 9. Bass, I'm gonna give it, considering the size of this, the compact size of this, and what they were able to actually put in this little thing, yeah, I'm giving it a 9 across the board. It's actually all around, it's a really great little speaker. This one has a very well balance of mids, highs, and lows. It's really good, and it's definitely got that volume that you're looking for in a small Bluetooth speaker, and it feels super solid. There's no shaky parts in it. It's very well made, very solid. The only con that I see is the microphone. She said that I sounded kind of hollow, and then after every word, there was like some sort of like a static she was talking about. But either way, it's still functional. All right, guys, that is it. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below as usual. Definitely go check them out, man. VAVA, they've got some good quality products at really fair prices. 30 bucks for something like this, that's pretty nice. I'm digging it. Anyway, guys, that is it. So I'm gonna leave it in your hands. Go check it out for yourself. But as for now, get out of here.